If you don't have your own business or you are just starting out, there are other ways to make money on Clubhouse. For example, if you have your Shopify store or Amazon store, you can offer something that is unique to Clubhouse users. For example, a special discount code. Have those specific links ready. For example, you can put a discount code, Club15, that gives a 50% discount if they visit your Shopify store, or a 15% discount on your codes that you are selling. Another way to make money on Clubhouse is affiliate marketing. If you're participating in conversations, you can talk about what type of products or services you're using that help you grow your own business, or products or services that has helped your personal growth. For example, if you're reading a book about real estate investing, you can say, I just read a book by some author. The book is called XYZ, and it helped me grow my passive income by 15%. If you guys would like to read it, check out my profile and I will give you a discount to the book. You would basically then put an Amazon affiliate link in your bio section. Be careful with recommendations during conversations. Don't be too pushy and don't go overboard. You should work on your sales pitch. Clubhouse doesn't have ads yet, which is a good thing, but people don't want to constantly listen to sales pitches. So casually mention in the conversation if you have something to sell or that you have something to offer. A third way to make money is to host or create a coaching or private room in which you're just given an overview of your services and then you can upsell your services later. You first build an authority by participating in other rooms, you establish your name there, you provide value, and then switch to private rooms where you can upsell your service. Or you can host and have a specific coaching session with few people.